Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 74, and we just got a call from a person on Yelp, and they are local, and we are going to their premises right now to fix their iPhone 6. Meantime, I like to have everything set up. Okay guys, we got everything sorted. So now all we're doing is driving there. It's only like should be like maybe a mile. It's a local one. It's in Las Vegas Village, which is awesome because I love when it's a short distance. It just makes everything more fun, and it's a local person, so I may even know her from Coffee Bean or any local places that we all locals go to. Yeah. Find out right now, guys. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna let you guys go because I gotta just drive and make sure if I'm parking because it's dark. So we'll see you guys soon. This is Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you soon at the repair site. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we just got here and we parked a little bit far, but we are gonna find our place right now. It's like a block and a half away from where we parked because that street wasn't very parking friendly, very overcrowded on the streets. And we should be there any second now. Okay guys, we'll see you guys soon inside. Peace. See you soon. Back, so I guess there's nothing else to put back to.
Okay.
Hey guys, I just got back from that job. Pretty much the phone was beyond the repair because the person that opened that phone up and closed it and changed the screen, it was not a shop or used somebody that knew them, and they kind of messed up the phone by putting the screws in the wrong places, and they just destroyed the phone. And so I couldn't fix it, so I just told them that I couldn't fix it because it needed soldering, and we couldn't even figure out what it was. It could have been a backlight, which happens a lot when you put the wrong screws where the flex cable, where the screen flex cables connect to, where if you put the screws in the wrong places, you can cause a long screw damage and the phone will not turn on, or you can like cause the logic board damage, you know, because you're literally screwing through the logic board, which is not supposed to be that way. But anyways, and so I told her to go to a local shop that I know that they do soldering, micro soldering for cell phones. And also I told and I also recommended her to check out Swapper, swappa.com, because they sell a lot of used refer phone tested. So not necessarily refer, but it's tested and but it's used. But yeah, so hopefully she'll find the right phone. But that phone was definitely not fixable, and no part could have been changed to actually make that phone function again normally. So I had to be frank with her and recommend her to buy a new phone, and or just spend max like $150 if she has to on a big repair. But I recommended her buying a new one, and I also recommend you guys to buy a new phone when that happens to you, because it's not worth fixing it, because you're not sure how good that person fixing it is gonna actually do as far as the job goes, and so we don't want to pay that money twice. Or anyway, guys, that'll wrap the vlog 74. This is Phon-Er Gold. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace. 75 vlog. True fam. It's a wrap.